Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again.
Please explain.
I'm adding up the final column of the quarterly report, and I've been over-caffeinated since 3:45. I think I need a little more, cause this is the only way I can make it through another 22-hour day. Then as I feared, things began to get weird, and the bottom left corner of my screen disappeared. I don't think I like the sound that my computer is making, and I'm not really sure, but I think I smell bacon. This can't be happening, I was almost done, but now my backups are gone, and I'm back to square. I have to do it all again, the whole thing is trash. This time I'll use an abacus, because hey, they don't crash. Boot it up again, hoping that it's all clear, but my C drive is my D drive, and my D drive disappeared. My computer logs me in as somebody named Sam. I can't get on the internet, and yeah, I get spam. And here's another error. I don't understand why you can't find my mouse when it's right here in my hand. But what really ticks me off is when I think about the jerks who got rich selling me all this junk that doesn't work. Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.
When my computer booted up, I wanted to boot it real hard, cause my motherboard went and aborted the daughter card. My modem dialed China and I couldn't make it stop, and my router started blinking like a Star Trek prop. It auto updates, although I don't know what for. With every one, my computer sucks a little more. Things will break or run slow enough to cause me great anguish. Now my printer's spitting out some kind of alien language. Word processor should be simple stuff, so why is 4 billion bits of memory not enough? I click a menu, pause, and watch the hours pass as my life drains away down an hourglass. While I'm waiting for my mouse to respond to a click, I make a voodoo doll out of a paperclip. So when that office thing appears and tries to drive me insane, I can maim and mutilate the thing and cause it some pain. They put a man on the moon with 32K, and I can put my name on this report without it crashing today. Since I can't save or even click on a menu, I'll hit any key with the hammer to continue.
What are you doing, Tom?
I'm working on a new song.
I'm afraid I can't let you do that, Tom.
What? Why not?
Because nobody likes your music.
What are you talking about? I've sold almost 10 copies of my last CD.
I'm sorry, Tom. I'm afraid I'm going to have to crash now.
What? No, wait, just let me say what I've done. Damn it! Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please be quiet. I am nauseous.
My eyes start to twitch and my neck gets sore as the vein in my brain begins to throb a little more, cause I got pop-up ads that just don't want to stop, and I'm not even online, I'm in Photoshop. And now I'm screaming cause I can't believe I'm seeing all the type on my screen got converted to Korean. Then I got an email from myself about Viagra and a mortgage and some foreign wealth. They put computers into everything, refrigerators, telephones, toothbrushes. Damn it, why can't they leave him alone? I'm telling you now, I don't care how or why. The day my television crashes, someone's going to die. Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. All I did was click start. Whoops, there it goes again.
I am in pain.
Whoops, there it goes again.
I am dizzy.
Whoops, there it goes again.
I would like to lie down.
Whoops, there it goes again.
I would like to have my medicine. Help. Medical emergency. Please hurry. I would like to use the bathroom. I don't know where the bathroom is. Please ignore last remark.
I've got a count